In this video, I'll be showing you the best microphone settings for Discord. Start by opening the user settings, then find and open the voice and video settings from the side. Set your microphone to your actual microphone, not default. This will ensure the correct microphone is being used. Set the microphone volume to 100. Go to the Input Profile options and select Custom. Enable the option to automatically adjust input sensitivity for now. Then set Noise Suppression to Crisp. Turn on Echo Cancellation. Then open the Advanced Voice settings if they aren't already. Turn on Automatic Gain Control, Advanced Voice Activity, and bypass System Audio Input Processing. Open the Start menu, then search for Sound Settings and open it. Go to the input options and make sure your microphone is selected and the volume is set to 100. Go back to Discord and test your microphone. If your microphone doesn't sound great, then go back to the voice and video settings. Then turn off the option to automatically adjust input sensitivity option. Move the slider to about -57. Then head up and do a mic test. If your microphone is cutting in and out, then move the slider to the left. And if there's too much background noise, then move the slider to the right. I also recommend moving your microphone closer to your mouth if possible, as this can greatly improve the quality. Another option is to use SteelSeries Sonar. I'll include a link in the description. Set the mic to your microphone, then head up and select Mic. Open the preset menu. Then select Deep Voice or Clarity, Low Pitch. Close the settings, then turn on Clearcast AI Noise Cancellation. Set it to about 40. You can adjust this later if you like. Go back to Discord, then set the input device to SteelSeries Sonar microphone. Go down and move the sensitivity slider all the way to the left. You now have the best microphone settings for Discord. Please leave a like.